Hey plant lovers! Did you know that some of the most beautiful indoor plants don't even need soil to grow? That's right, just a jar or vase of water and these plants will thrive. No messy potting mix, no dirt on your floors, no stress. Just clean, simple, beautiful greenery that grows with water alone. Whether you live in a small apartment, hate dealing with soil, or just want a low-maintenance way to bring nature indoors, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 20 amazing indoor plants that grow in water, perfect for beginners, small spaces, or anyone looking to simplify their plant care routine. We'll go through them one by one with tips on how to grow them and why they're awesome. Let's jump right in. 1. Pothos. This is probably the most popular plant for water growing. Cut a vine, stick it in a jar, and that's it. It'll root in about a week. It's tough, fast-growing, and very forgiving. Pro tip: keep the leaves above water and change the water every 1 to 2 weeks. 2. Lucky bamboo. This one's often seen in offices and homes for good luck. Technically, it's not bamboo, but it's super easy to grow in water. Add a few pebbles to hold the stems upright and you're good to go. 3. Spider plant babies. You know those little baby plants that grow off the main one? Snip them off and place them in water. They root fast and are super cute in glass jars. 4. Philodendron. These plants love water just like pothos. Take a stem cutting, stick it in water, and place it in bright, indirect light. Great on shelves or desks. 5. English ivy. Elegant and trailing, English ivy grows beautifully in water. Just keep an eye out for algae. It can grow fast in clear containers. 6. Coleus. This one has colorful leaves that really stand out. It roots in water in just a few days and looks great in a bright kitchen or bathroom. 7. Wandering Jew. This plant has gorgeous purple and green leaves. It grows like crazy in water and adds a tropical vibe to your home. 8. Sweet potato vine. Yes, even sweet potatoes. Just suspend one halfway in water and watch vibrant green or purple vines grow. It's a fun one to try with kids too. 9. Mint. Here's a functional one. Grow mint in water and clip off leaves whenever you need them for tea or cooking. Smells amazing and grows fast. 10. Basil. Basil roots easily in water, especially soft young stems. Place it on a sunny windowsill and use it fresh in your meals. 11. Rosemary. Takes a little longer to root than mint or basil, but once it gets going, it thrives. Keep it in a warm spot and give it time. 12. Oregano. This herb loves water. Use cuttings and refresh the water weekly. Super easy and tasty. 13. Lavender. Yes, lavender can grow in water. Use soft stem cuttings, not woody ones. Bonus: your room will smell heavenly. 14. Arrowhead plant. These grow fast and look stunning in a clear vase. Their arrow-shaped leaves come in green, pink, and white tones. 15. Chinese evergreen. This one is slow-growing but easy-going. Change water every 10 days and keep it in filtered light. 16. ZZ plant. Known for being nearly unkillable. It can grow in water, but it's slow. Just be patient and don't over-submerge it. 17. Peace lily. Yes, you can grow peace lily in water. Keep the roots in water, but don't let the crown get wet or it'll rot. Looks sleek and modern in tall glasses. 18. Alocasia. With big, bold leaves, this one makes a statement. Grow it from bulbs or cuttings in water. Change the water often for best results. 19. Fittonia. Colorful and dramatic leaves with a pink or white vein pattern. It can grow in shallow water, but make sure the stems don't rot. A little trickier, but worth it. 20. Swiss cheese plant. Smaller than the classic monstera, but perfect for water growth. Its holy leaves look amazing in any room and it roots quickly in water. Let's talk care tips real quick. Use filtered or dechlorinated water. Tap water with too much chlorine can slow root growth or damage sensitive plants. Change the water every 7 to 10 days. Fresh water equals healthy roots. Avoid full sun for glass jars. It heats up the water too much and can cook the roots. Use clear containers to admire the roots, but keep an eye on algae. You can always switch to colored glass if needed. And here's a fun fact. Growing plants in water is actually a form of passive hydroponics. No pumps or fertilizers required. Alright friends, that's it. Those were 20 awesome indoor plants that grow in water. No soil needed. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. Or tell me what's already growing in your jars and bottles at home. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a plant tip. I post new videos every week to help you create a greener, happier space. Thanks for hanging out and happy growing.